Hey everyone, it's Vian here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, I welcome you. I do a lot of product review, lifestyle, DIYs, and also travel videos when I get a chance. So if you are interested in that, please hit that subscribe button so you can come back for more videos in the future. Today I want to share with you a little makeover of a bag that I owned, and it's a Chanel Mini. I totally forgot to get a video of the bag prior to me doing the like showing you the bag, but I will insert a little clip of the previous video that I did, which is my handbag collection videos. I'll show you right here what the bag looks like before, and then also a before picture. And so I just wanted to, show you guys the process of me doing it. It's actually very simple. I have done it before. I have used the same kind of paint before on my teak shoes, and I think I did a video of that as well. If I can find it, I will link it for you. But it's very, very simple, and it doesn't take a lot. I know the bags are pretty expensive and you don't want to ruin your bags or anything like that, or risking ruining your bag, but this process works for me and it turned out beautifully. So if you guys want to see how I did it, then go ahead and keep on watching. So this is my bag right here, and we're gonna get started painting it. As you can see, the color's kind of faded. It has kind of like a silvery color coming out from it, and just the gold color is basically gone. So I wanted to go ahead and paint it, and I'm using the Angela's brand metallic gold leather paint right here. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start on the back just to test it out. And it comes with a little brush, but I'm not going to be using the brush. I'm going to dump some out onto a little plate here and go from there. And I'm using a smaller paintbrush first, and then moving up to the bigger paintbrush later. I'm not sure how many coats I'm going to be doing, but let's just start. And I'm going to, I'm going to start at the bottom. Can you see that? Okay. Oh, so pretty, you guys. And I think this is the same one that matches my teak shoes, so they'll be a great combo with each other. chain, I am just going in between because I don't want to take it all out. For the process of it, you guys probably already seen the bag in the video, but here it is right here. This is what it looks like right now. I love it so much. It's really gold. I kind of like the previous gold a little bit better because it's kind of like a half silver, you know, like half silver, slightish silver, lightish gold, but this one is like full on yellow, like 24 karat gold now is what it looks like. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. Let me give you guys a little up close of the bag right there on the side, and then the bottom and the back as well. And then I also did the chain. You guys will probably see, I mean, you guys already saw it in the video, but I didn't take the leather on the chain off. I just went in between it, and that worked for me. I still got both sides of the chain pretty well, so I didn't need to take the bag apart because I don't want to, like, you know, alter it more than it already is in any way. So there you are, there's my bag, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys have something in mind that you guys you know, would recolor, or what do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And so that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it and you know, find it somewhat useful. If you would like, hit that subscribe button so you can come back for more videos in the future, and I'll talk with you guys again then. Bye!